Which is the top residential city in the Western world that has provided the highest return on investment? Is it London, England? Is it New York? Is it Miami? Is it San Francisco? Is it Sydney, Australia? Is it Toronto? Let's study them right now, and I will show you the highest return on investment for all of these residential cities. Right now we're looking at Vancouver's home price index. All of the indexes start on January of 2000, and this one in Vancouver, West Side, the average home was $597,000 in January of 2000. And after 15 years, 10 months, it is now at $2,589,000. That is an increase over the 100% basis point to 433. That's a 333% increase. Now let's compare that to New York. Now here's the New York Home Price Index at 325 in January of 2000, peaking out here at 709, and today 590. That's the average. That is 181%. That means it's an 81% increase over its initial 2000 numbers. Vancouver wins by a landslide. Let's go try another city. This is Vancouver against London, England. London, England started out in January of 2000 at £140,000, and they have now increased to, on average, £443. This is London's home price index, which would be all types of housing. That shows a 216% increase until July of this year, where Vancouver West Side was a 308% increase. Vancouver wins. Let's try another city. This is Miami, Florida. So in 2000, they started at $140,000 US. They peaked out in December of 06 at 393. They dropped right back down to 195, and today they are up and resting at $282,000 on average for their home price index. Once again, that is just a paltry 102% increase over the year 2000, compared to Vancouver's for this same month is 318% increase. Let's try another city. Okay, we're looking at Toronto's residential housing. And here Toronto, by the way, this is the absolute straightest line in the entire industry. Of all the analysis, the Canadian government has done the very best job of managing the economy in the entire Western world by maintaining a very, very stable housing increase. Average home price in Toronto is $605,000 compared to the West Side's $2,500,000. They're up to 250%, so that's a 150% increase since the year 2000. So once again, Vancouver wins. Let's try Sydney, Australia. This is the average home price index in Sydney, Australia. They're showing their homes now have gone over $1 million on average. That is up 191% from the year January 2000. Once again, Vancouver's up 306% for the win. Highest return on investment is Vancouver. Now, the majority of our investment into Vancouver over the last years has been from mainland China. So our strongest competition there would be the Shanghai stock market. Let's have a quick peek to see how it has fared. Now, the Shanghai Stock Index, their index started in January at 1,500. In October of 2005, they would have been at 1,000. And then they did have a really, really good run here and peaked out in October of 2007. For one single month, they hit 6,000 points. But then they proceeded to have the drop, as most stocks did, of course. Today, they're sitting here at 3,600. So in comparison to Vancouver, we'll say for the month of October here, Shanghai Stock Index, it's up, it's 120% over the January 2000 numbers, and Westside is up, it's 333%. I declare the winner to be Vancouver, the highest return on investment in residential real estate in the Western world markets. Bye-bye for now.